Hello there guys, today I'm going to show you this really nice box. It's fantastic. It does do KODI, Android APKs. It does really nice. It's a 3GB RAM box. It is Android 6.0, but it has got the ability to go to Android 7.0. Check out my video and you'll get more information about it. The Magicsee Iron Plus, a very nice box. In a way, it's really got a nice shape on it. It lights up even when it powers on. An Amlogic S912, 3GB RAM, 32GB ROM, comes with the standard kit, an infrared remote control, and a power adapter, an HDMI cable, but last but not least, the manual. Has a very nice shape, as you can see. It comes in with one side USB, Ethernet, HDMI connection, AV, a power adapter, an optical connection, 2 more USB, and of course a memory card slot. Okay, so as soon as the box starts up, you can see at the bottom it's got like a lot of shortcuts where it's easy to actually navigate among them. There are shortcut folders actually. If you go inside one, for example the apps in here, it's immediately you can see more applications. Each one of the folder has got more applications inside it. For example, if we go back and we click on the music one, you have got more application in there. Then this has been set up for intentionally, so you can actually organize your way of how you view your box. Now if you go to the top there, you have got more of these shortcuts, but directly just to the application, so you can add more into it. Like you click on the plus sign and you can add more application to it. Yeah, click plus and just see what applications are there and just add it in there. Very simple. Of course, you can always use the file browser application, and this is very simple. You can go in there by uploading a file browser through the APK. You can download any applications. Download all the APKs you want and put them in there. This is for applications that are not available on the Google Play Store. I ran 4 different type of benchmarks on this particular box, and it was actually very interesting. Each one of them was giving me exactly what I was expecting, and probably a little bit more as well. It gave me a 3GB RAM box that can actually do on the Antutu benchmark of 40,322. It showed me that it was a rooted access box. It showed me that it can do very good with the games on the 3D Mark with 10,095. It gave me a very good Geekbench mark on the single core 471 and the multi-core 2448. Okay, so I really enjoy playing games on this box as well. Videos, game, the benchmark, they all show that this box is fantastic for the price that it comes in. It's really good and it does actually very good speed on it and has very nice design with the triangle. It's really good. Okay guys, so final points here guys. Right, so joystick, yes, you do definitely need to get one for playing games. Wireless remote control keyboard, I recommend getting one of those. Well, apart from that, the actual remote control that comes with it is fantastic. It does do the job, it does work. You don't need to get anything else, but for games you definitely need to get one of those. The fact that this system has got Android 6.0, it comes in with an OTA update, plans to go into Android 7.0. However, the company already issued out an Android 7.0 manual download but how they haven't provided it over the air updates, how they haven't done an OTA update. And meantime, you can actually check out the description in my website for all the details of how to install it if you want to. And if you want a special discount for this box, you can get it from down below in the video description or in my website. Also, this box is so cool. It's the benchmarks worked really well. The price, and for the fact that it's 3GB RAM and S912. S912 is one of the latest chipset out there, and it's really good. It is a good chipset, and it's good speed on it. It does do the job. So to sum it up, good benchmark, good results. It is rooted. There is another video out there on the web that says it's not rooted. No, that's not right. This one, it definitely is rooted. I have showed you in the inside the video, is definitely software rooted. So because that, I can go into Google Play Store and download it. Now also, what I did is I actually went into the Aptoide TV store, which is a new Aptoide Play Store, just like a Play Store, another one. You can just go in there and get it. It's really cool. Go in there and you get an Aptoide. You can pretty much download a lot of applications out there. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please share, comment, and subscribe. Thumbs up. And I'll see you guys later.